Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's continue our A to Z vocab series. Our first word is clandestine. Clandestine means secret or something not legal, like something done secretly, छुप छुप के कुछ करना. Its synonyms are covert and surreptitious. इनका भी यही मतलब होता है कि कुछ secretly या छुप छुप कर करना. Like for example, they went on a clandestine date. वो एक सीक्रेट डेट पे गए थे बिना किसी को बताए, छुप छुप के. सो clandestine means something secret, something done secretly. Let's move to our next word, comely. Comely means attractive or beautiful. Like for example, the comely architecture of the city was a sight to behold. कोई बहुत ही सुंदर सिटी का आर्किटेक्चर या कोई बहुत सुंदर मॉन्यूमेंट का आर्किटेक्चर which is attractive and pleasant to see. That means comely. Okay, let's move to our next word, confabulation. Confabulation means casual conversation or discussion, like evening chit chats. Like, for example, we enjoyed a confabulation over coffee yesterday. It's basically casual conversation with friends or family. Next, costermonger. Costermonger is basically sabzi wala or fruit wala. Someone who sells fruits and vegetables. Like for example, she bought some fresh fruits from a costermonger. वो कुछ fruits लेकर आई एक fruit वाले से. Next, chiasm. Chiasm means a place where two paths cross. It's basically the crossroads. Like for example, the chiasm in the roads was clear. As you can see in the picture, it's a photo of crossroads. Next word, confutation. Confutation means to prove that something is wrong. Like for example, her research was a confutation of the myth. उसकी research ने एक myth को गलत साबित कर दिया. Next, calumny. Calumny is a false statement made about someone in order to damage their reputation. Like corporate world में ये बहुत होता है कि कलीग्स ने कुछ रूमर्स फैला दिए, कुछ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स बता दिए किसी एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान के बारे में, एंड फिर people start to judge, which eventually damages their reputation. Like for example, it is unfair to judge someone based on calumny. We should always seek the facts. सिर्फ सुनी सुनाई बातों पे या रूमर्स पे हमें किसी को जज नहीं करना चाहिए. हमें दोनों साइड की बात में पता होनी चाहिए किसी भी इंसान को या किसी भी सिचुएशन को जज करने के लिए. सो calumny is basically a false statement made about someone in order to damage their reputation. Next, cacophony. Cacophony means noisy or loud. Like for example, there was a cacophony in the class due to the teacher's absence. As you can see in this picture, सब बच्चे शोर करने लग जाते हैं जैसे ही टीचर क्लास से चली जाती है. So that is cacophony, noisy or loud. Next, chivalrous. Chivalrous means generous, courteous, polite, gentleman type का, who respects women, who respects elders. Like for example, Lord Rama was a chivalrous gentleman. Next word, catharsis. Catharsis is a process of expressing strong feelings through activities such as dancing, painting. It is a way of reducing anger or stress. Like for example, dance is a medium of catharsis for some people. You can meditate to release your negative emotions. Different people have different activities to perform to release their stress, anger, negative emotions. So that's all from my side. I hope you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, keep learning and bye bye.